Hello, my friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a game in Windows 7. This is called Deadly Dozen. This is the first part and this is the second part. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your computer. This video is for education purpose only. Before you work or use or play with your computer, please back up your files like videos, pictures, and documents. So if something happens, you have a backup. Thank you. Okay, so um, this is old version of this game, but I really like it because it's not super fast like the new games right now. So you just place the CD inside the DVD room or CD room. Okay. Now we waiting for a screen to pop up. I know this is Windows 7, but a lot of people is still using it because it's a really good system. Okay, so right here we got this screen, and with two options. You can click here how to play install, or you can open this folder. So let's open this folder. And you see all the files are right here. All the files from the game are here, and we need to go to setup. Right here, double click with your mouse, left mouse, double click, and then right here, do you want to allow the following program from no publisher to make change to this computer? Yes, click yes, and then preparing to install. Okay, let's minimize this window. Okay, right here, welcome to the install shelf wizard for Deadly Dozen 2. Okay, next right here. And then right here is telling you where it's gonna be installed. Okay, then go next. Right here where the folder is gonna be, next. And then it's gonna start to install it. It's gonna take maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depends. But I'm going to pause my video so that way it won't be super long, okay? Yeah, I like this game because you can do a lot of things. You have missions to do. You can train your soldiers, and it's kind of, I mean, it's not super fast like that, like Call of Duty. You need to be super really good player to play that game. But this one is you can go slow and learn, and I really like it. I don't know, you might like it, people might like it. Okay, it's still installing 51%. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, I get to 100%, and then I get this message: install shell-free wizard complete. Place a shortcut to the desktop, and it's checked, so you just finish. It's asking me if I want to this game. You want to install a game spy archive? No, I will install game spy later. Okay, so I'm gonna click next, and that's it. It wants me to register, but I don't want to register. So okay, so right now it's asking me this program install direct 8.1. DirectX 8.1, yes, because that's that way maybe the game won't start if I don't start it. So let's yes. And right here is the game. Let me open it, okay? Oh yeah, it's working. So right here, look, new game. Continue, continue, and then you can choose everything from here and start. See, it's right here really fast. You start load really fast. So and right here is the guy looking. And I think you get like, as yeah, we are 4 soldiers. Right here you see, 4 soldiers. And I like it because you can do many things like, see, that's what I like. That you can lay down and advance. You need a keyboard to use it. I never work with I never use it with a joystick, but I don't know if it's working or not. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and check my other videos. Thank you so much.